ATM.
Yo, what's good YouTube? It's your boy Kel, back at it again. We here with another unboxing. This time, your boy got lucky this past weekend. We struck 2 times. We struck on Adidas this time, and we struck on Nike sneakers app. This is the first time ever. Usually, Nike sneakers app always be with the BS, man. But today, we got a fire unboxing for y'all today. If y'all want a review, get this video up to like, I'll say 100 likes. You know, I'll drop a review for both of them. Do a little on feet. And also, we had 99 subscribers. Come on. Keep it kicking. We almost there at 100. Get us to 100. I'm trying to do a giveaway once we get to 1,000. So the quicker we get to 1,000, quicker one of y'all could get something free. But, you know, we about to get into this right here. First up, we got this box from Adidas. Let's see how we're going to open this. I know some of y'all might hate me because I just hit the box or whatever, but it is what it is. We got, first up, here, we got some 500 things. We got the 500s. This is a slip-on one, just like the other one that's right here, the blush. Ooh, I'm gonna let y'all see first. Get rid of the 500 part. These they fine. They alright. Honestly, I think you'll have to be a little creative if you're gonna wear them. But for the colorway, the concept, I like them. I'm gonna compare them to the blush right quick. Fuck all these shoes. Alright, so this both on side by side. Probably can't really tell much of a difference. Besides, this was like beige. These like piss yellow. Kanye, you on some weird ass shit, but these, I think they nice for the summertime. You know, I'm gonna get a lot of good little wears out of these. Honestly, both on. These gonna be my little summer runners. Next up, we got what y'all really been waiting for. And honestly, let me tell y'all this right now. The prices on these drop mad low. But I say give it by winter time. Once all the other colorways of these start coming out, prices gonna slowly creep up on them. It might not go that high because it ain't Boost. You know, some of y'all just love Boost. This is also pretty comfortable. But y'all don't be sleep. Y'all better get them while they cheap. Round retail and stuff. Same thing with the blush. Those, they're going to be there forever too. And this box right here, we got that Nike stripe tape in. Y'all know what this is. Got this bad boy open. Got the receipt so you know it's retail game. Got this box right here. Jordan 4. We got them. Ooh, I'll let y'all see first. I've seen tons of pictures already, but ooh. We got these cactusjack things. Look right here. Remove that. Got a little Travis Scott behind. Got the blue all around. Got the cactusjack. Got some blue stains. Y'all gotta do better on that Nike, but oh my goodness, these is fire. I'm gonna do a little close up for these, but if y'all want a review and on feet, possibly on feet on these might be for sale. Y'all know, but the wax laces, I want to double up on these honestly, and I wouldn't mind wearing them. So somebody give me a pair for retail, I'll gladly take a second pair. But right now prices is low. Prices on StockX is around like $350. You know, there was just around $460 and stuff. Well, if you ask me, you better snag these while they are cheap, because I give it like a month or two, and these is gonna be at least $500–600. just because, like, quality is butter. Got the milky bottoms on it too. I don't know. Yeah, I might just be a review for these coming soon. But thank you guys for watching. Do me a favor, follow me on Instagram. Oh no, I lied. I got one more secret for y'all. I forgot about this one. This one came in too. It's right here. It's a Jordan 1 box. Y'all know I'm addicted to Jordan 1s. And pow! We got these right here. Homage to home things. The leather on these is insane. Like, I don't know. Which one? Which one do you prefer? Travis Scott, homage to home. Half and half, all blue. I need me an Oilers jersey for this too. Ooh, that would be nice. And also, all this stuff back here needs to go, guys. Hit me up so I can sell some of this stuff. Got the receipt. We got the other one right here. Okay, so quick backstory about these. Didn't get them for retail. Got them on StockX a little late, but I need Chicago 1s and black toe 1s to finish my entire Jordan 1 collection. Somebody help me find both of those. Size 12. Cash is in hand. You know I'm about my shit. So thank you guys for watching once again. Like, comment, subscribe. Get me to 1,000 subs, and it might be a free pair of kicks in it for you. Deuces, guys.
ATM.